Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert a gap button rows in Excel. Okay, now example select rows and right click mouse insert. Now see this gap. Okay, and select multiple gaps or insert multiple gaps. Okay, one, two. Done. See this. Control C for copy and Control V. Then select full, set this, go to data tab. Now click this short and select one. Now see this one, two. Now select one, then click OK and remove this outside. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.